Once nominated as the world's 8th wonder, Malolotja Nature Reserve is known to be one of those places that have been conserving nature for the longest time. It's not just about animals in Buhle, but it's also about indalo netihlahla letitfolakala la kule ndzawo lesetingasatfolakali cishe emhlaba wonke jikelele. iMalolotja Nature Reserve eMbukeli yindzawo leyo ngeyona imvelo yongele eMaswati. Asigcinike eMbukeli ngokuthi sonke imvelo kule ndzawo kodwa sinemidlalo lethite lengakhuthata abantu ukuthi basuke etindzaweni letahlukahlukene bade la eMalolotja. We have what we know as a canopy tour. But now canopy tour. Yes, but at the same time you get to see nature from the highest point that you can. Ngiva ngathi umtimba wami ufuna kuhamba nangathi ukuthi kumele ngigibele leti nzambo leti ngobona indalo ngilapha eDulo. Kodwa ke Mbukele ehlelweni lakho lethi Buhle Betfu nanompumelelo kaDlamini Sibongo. Ngithi Hlomangwane vuka uvakasha ngihambisana nayo Eswatini Tourism Authorities khuthatha amaswati ukuthi ati live layo kabandi. Kungamhla Mbukela ngithathele lithuba lekubingelela ngumukele ehlelweni lelithi Buhle Betfu. Angihambi ngedwa naMbukeli nginato ukuvakasha itami letavakasha nami kulendzawo sibone yona iMalolotja naletinto letendeka la kulendzawo. Hayi hlanganyela nathi ke Mbukeli sitawubona ukuthi bona simile bona batawukhona yini kugibela letatinzaba naletinzambo sibone ukuthi tabe kunjani namuhla. Join me.
Malolotja Nature Reserve is a good example of a well-run conservation area. It is great for bird watching, hiking and exploring. Did you know Malolotja is Eswatini's largest highfield reserve? It is definitely a hiker's paradise, ideal for groups, families, outdoor adventure, nature lovers, campers and backpackers.
All right, guys, we're here. Canopy touring time. Yes, we'll be seeing nature. That's obvious. Logo we're all excited about. But tell me about the canopy tour. What are your expectations? Niva kunjani nje ukuthi we're going to do this. Ngikatheni.
Sikhatha lokumnanzi kakhulu kepha ngesiphikethe inhlitiyo tiyagitsa Nkosi yami. I-height siyayithaba kakhulu but we are going to embrace ifiye yethu sambe siyobona inature kahle nje kamnanzi sikhululekile emoyeni sindiza.
Ngiyakuthanza Hlopsile.
Mina ngikhuluma iqiniso nje nyalo lelivalo vele lithi ya angathi lembili usindagcina ngigibeleni but nje ngalokho sindvoza akufuni lokusiyesabe ufuna ukuthi ihambe phambili yabo cha usingidagcina ngingenile kodwa ke ngifuna ukubona kakhulu lokubona nje le ndawo ngiladule emoyeni. Yes.
Right. Awesome.
As you can see, I can't even stand properly. Yes, I'm literally shaking, but I'm excited. I hope I'll embrace my fears. I hope.
Okay, Mbukeli hayi hamba nathi utatibonela nayo ukuthi kutabe kunjani lapha la ngingaqiniseka ukuthi kutabe kumnanzi lapha ngoba won't be the only one screaming clearly but let's enjoy this.
As part of the adventure, you can book a cabin. The scenery from the cabin is breathtaking, pretty cozy and well-priced accommodation.
Sithemba ukuthi nimukeleke kahle e-reception yethu la eMalolotja. Ngiyalo sesiku cabin yethu. I-cabin yethu i-self-catering. Sini providing a teacher, plate, tipuni, inkomishi for tea negedlela, ne fridge khona lokhona kufaka igrocery yenu yasedolobheni. Mayelana ne sleeping arrangements, sina 2 rooms in each of the cabins. One room ithatha a double bed, bese lelenye i-room in a bunk bed and a single bed. Lokusho uma ngabe nje benitile nitene banifana make nababe bakulelinye likamero banifana ngiphatha bese babakulelinye likamero. Kusenjalo nje sine restaurant as well uma ngabe uva ukuthi awukhanuki ukuthi upheke ngoba nalokupheka ungemalanga solo siyapheka utekutoti chaza sine restaurant lo ngakhona ukuthi uyisebenzise kopha ke ninake ukuthi iyavala ngabu4 i-restaurant yethu.
For the great outdoor lovers, Malolotja offers an open, peaceful camp area. You really feel one with nature, as the game animals walk fairly close to the campsite. Certainly a nice bit of nature to spend a night or two.
Sisixolisa sikudayele la kubuhle betfu. Just remind us kancane ukuthi ngubani wenda ini la endzawini yaseMalolotja.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngicela nje uvusela ababukeli ekhaya. Ngibonge ukuthi bathune in babukela Buhle Betfu. Mina nginguxoliswa wakamkhonda ngenda i-marketing for the organization lekuthiwa kuse Eswatini National Trust Commission. Namuhla ke sibonga ukuthi nidile nato sivakashela la eMalolotja la kungikhona ke ENTC endumsebenzi wakhe la uthunywa nguhulumende wakangwane kuthi kongeke umvelo khona lana ke sikhuthatha abantu ukuthi bete batovakasha la emalolotja khona batata nebantfu babo batawubona tinyamatane bese tingasathonakali nje nanoma nganguphi bakhona nekubona the different plant species labanenge nje bayasho basi batigcine tincwadzini bathi khona laba ke befika bathi hayi man ngani le plant isesekhona. So there's that beauty ngaye nalo Malolotja. Ngenetuka lokho ke ngaphandle kwetihlahla kuna lentfo le industry tourism is going towards, which is called ecotourism. So we have an activity le ecotourism kuthiwa yi-treetop canopy tour. Ulomnye kumjikeni ke unema platform lamanengana nje lokuthi swinga from one platform to the other sive singeta sitoti chaza enike bekushito ke malanga lengcile kuthi kutawube iku special sethu sesicalile sicishe singahalf wale price yayo le original price. So sikhutsata sive kuthi asite sitovakasha site nebantfu abaso bete batobona Malolotja bete batowenda i-canopy tour bete bavakashe babone iSwaziland.
Okay. Now, besides the canopy tour, lesinayo nokuthi abantu bangabona tihlahla kumbe lesithi ngasatholakali around the world. What makes Malolotja special? What makes it different compared to other nature reserves that we have in the kingdom? And khona lang dibane khona nekwekuthi Malolotja was chosen as the world's 8th wonder. What does that mean to us as a nation?
Okay, Malolotja is unique in the sense that there's lots of rare, it's known as a hiker's paradise globally to start off with. Okay, so that on its own is just a wow. And bird viewing, there's a lot of bird species that we have here that are not easily found elsewhere. And then of course we were nominated for the 8th World Wonder. That's a couple of years back. And that on its own is another huge honor to be amongst other sites that then make it to be considered world wonders. That nomination really was a very honorable thing for the ENTC.
All right. Now we have what we call the #NoExit campaign, and it's mainly for us. eMaswati, you know, i-tourism authority ikhutsata ukuthi eMaswati adeliver lawo kabanti. Malolotja khutatelani kumbe umbukeli losekhaya watching this right now ukuthi etela.
Ngithanda ukukhuthata eMaswati ukuthi akete avele ngala eMalolotja atokhona siabone lemvelo leyongekile la eMalolotja. Kakhulukazi ke kunale special ke lesike savela malanga landlulile lapho khona le special sitargethe laMaswati njengoba naye ETA asho ukuthi Maswati akavakashe iSwaziland akayadi. So nathi sithi ikhona ke lemidlalo le activity lesinayo lekuthiwa yi-treetop canopy tour. Kuthi ngicela befike icishe inguya half price yeMaswati and nawufika la eMalolotja cela ukuthi ute nayo iID yakho ngoba ngoloko labatakucela ireception.
Once at Malolotja, one can experience the amazing canopy tour. It's quite scenic, also includes a 50 meters suspension bridge.
Oh yeah.
was fine.
It was fun.
Was it short, long?
No, tiring,
Hiking
but fun.
on its own.
Fine.
Okay, you're welcome to our first platform, guys. We call it the Rabbit Hole. The name Rabbit Hole is taken from the story of Alice in Wonderland. So this is Malolotja Wonderland. So as soon as we slide down from this platform to the next, Malolotja Wonderland will be unfolding for us as we're gonna be off the ground for the next hour or so. So all in all, we're gonna be clipped into 3 points while sliding down. It's gonna be the cow's tail and the pulley set on the main cable. Then the rope linear from the back will be on the backup cable. So you're gonna be on a sitting position like smile as you slide down. With your weak hand, you hold both these two, the cow's tail and the quick rods together. Then a stronger hand on the main cable behind the pulley set. So it should never be on top or in front. So whatever happens, you don't put your hand in front because the pulley set may run over your fingers. So make it a point to keep your strong hand rolling at the back up until you reach the next platform. And then when you want to brake, you simply hold it down. You pull down the cable. That's where you control your speed. You don't use your feet for braking. Another thing, guys, remember to keep your feet up each time you slide down so that you don't hurt yourself on the edges of the platforms. And there are stools on the platforms. Make it a point you nicely land on top of the stool. I hope it's all clear unless you've got a question. So that's how we do it here. That's how we slide. You nicely land on top of the stool.
There is a steep hike back to the car after the tour. Watch out for that. The guides are good and welcoming and very patient with explorers. The canopy tours can give one an appetite. Therefore, upon return, Malolotja offers a light lunch to fuel one's hunger.
Mbukeli, nginaneliso hlobisile nanoSimilo eceleni kwami. Hayi for the past 2 hours solo babuyile ledulu ngathi abanginambithi abangikhulumisi. Angathi noma kushito mina ukuthi kuhambe bona mina ngingambi. Guys, tell me about your experience. Neliso angicele ngawe Mjida. Ngithi ungumjida wena when you're made to take things as they come. How is it?
Yeah, kona ngasho ukuthi bekomnanzi but nje bengicabanga ukuthi overcome le fear, but then when I'm on top of the natural environment, I did experience quite a number of things. Ngikhonile kufunza ukuthi kunetihlahla letimcoka la eMalolotja. Kunesihlahla nje labasitshele ngaso lebasi singaphila for 700 years, of which was something that is very, very amazing. I encourage other people to come and witness that kind of tree. And lama slides ale Canopy Tour ngathini ayachazana kule ngikhumbula kakhulu nje lengichazile nginaye bathi bayibita ngeFerrari. Cha leyo ke cha ibe mnanzi kakhulu. Ngicabanga sina nalabanye nje bangangifakazela.
Why? What was different about Ferrari hlobisile?
Ngiyagijinywa lapha. Njengoba nje uvale igama Ferrari. Uvele nje uthi dwi.
Okay.
Bonanzi bodwa.
Nansaya lapha wena bokusho uvivetela nematinya ngathi bekagedletela.
Hey.
Now, is that fear gone?
It's gone.
You do this again.
Again and again and again and again.
Banesibinzi labantwana. Laba bangambulala umuntu bamgcabe solo singathi. noSimilo, wena solo ngathi usachucha. Kamba njani?
Ngijabule kakhulu. I won't lie to you guys. It was very nice. Bekumnandi, but solo ngisesaba. Otherwise, bekumnandi, and I encourage friends ukuthi bete to enjoy the Canopy Tour. The Ferrari was good. It was fast. I was riding it.
Okay, yes, the suspension bridge.
No, it was nanyalo. So it was so scary because now buga pasi, you could see everything.
Okay, all right. noSimilo yena besangishene obituary so kodwa kuningi ukukhuluma naye noSimilo. Ngiyamangala nekubuyile. Obituary yakhisele ngakimi bese kumele ngomvalisela nasekhaya angekho sure next utawubuya. But overall, tell me more about your experience in Malolotja, guys, besides the Canopy Tour. The restaurant, the food they make in this place, the things that you saw, the animals, the nature. What would you say?
Mina lengakusho nje ngeCanopy Tour ukuthi iphephile kakhulu, and then mangabe vele kusho ukuthi bosaba njengathi nje masicala hayi maphaphu bese ayehla ke masofika e-restaurant hayi kodla kumnanzi kakhulu vele nje ukhohlwa nokuthi hey ngike ngahamba lapha ngabona etulu kwangasaba nekusacaka lapha no bese soyakhohlwa
Uthanza kudla ukuthi nje hlobo lesimoshela kudla we.
Okay, mina lengudiscover eMalolotja ngibona ukuthi indzawo lephethe kakhulu Buhle bendalo.
Okay.
When we coming to the kind of animal that you find here, these are kind of animals that I don't think ukuthi atholakala mhlawumbe to other parts of the world.
Right.
But dinhle nje kakhulu fire khathi amazebra, fire khathi losonke lamagama ngenze ngiwashe nje onke vele magama lalikhulu lokuchaza ukuthi vele dilwane lelikhulu ukuthi utibone udiscover la emhlabeni.
Okay.
Yes, when it comes to the ndzawo ukuthi mountainous, it got some beautiful adventurous hiking trails nako lengakusho kakhulu.
Right. Ngoni. Usuthi kakhulu akasakhona ukukhuluma noSimilo.
Okay, Malolotja is an adventurous place. If you want to come and do activities, you could definitely come here as Sawashitokne Canopy Tour and others. Well, we got to experience sleeping on the tents or resting on the tents and in the rooms. So yeah. Angifuni ukukhuluma ngalokudla bekumnanzi kakhulu so ngiva ngathi nangikhuluma kutawuphela.
Mbukeli nawe udevele ukuthi Malolotja is the place to be for adventure na ufuna kubona imvelo na ufuna kubona indalo. Kanti ke futhi mbukeli nangabe you're an adventurous person, definitely the Canopy Tour is for you. And then lokuhle kakhulu mbukeli ukuthi nawe udevele ukuthi kunaso specially lesinaso thine njengeMaswati. You get 40% off the original price. So I'd encourage everyone there watching ukuthi phat idea yakho vele ngala Malolotja sikhutsata ukuthi wathi live lakho kabantu imbukeli nalokukhona lokuhle lesinako la event la kangwane sesifike khona emaphethelo nelihlelo lakho lelithi Buhle Betfu siyakwethembisa nokombukeli ukuthi cha nawe na ufuna kutawungcebeleka uthokotiswe indalo vela la kuye Malolotja lithuba lakho nawe mbukeli ukuthi utobona tinto letendekako kulena ndzawo. Sisasho njalo nje mbukeli sifuna ukufisela kona kubukela lokuhle nekuthokoza lokuhle tinhlelweni takho letilandzelako sakufisela kona kubukela lokuhle mbukeli kuyona impela sondvo kanzi ke siyakuthembisa ukuthi noma ngabe sesiphelile isikhathi sethu nyalo kodwa same time same place ngaso lesi sikhathi same channel we'll be right here ehlelweni lakho lelithi Buhle Betfu kanye losihambisana nayo Eswatini Tourism Authority sithi Hlomangwane vuka uvakashe nisaleni kahle.